will solve the problem of lead single number in lead code. And the problem statement says that we have been given a non-empty array of integers, and every element appears twice except for one, and we need to find that single one. There is a note which says that your algorithm should have a linear runtime complexity. Okay, and it could you implement it without using extra memory? We will think about it later. Let's start doing it in a linear runtime complexity, and then we will decide how to do it without using an extra memory. The example one has an input as 2 to 1, and the output gives at 1 is 1, which is right because 1 is the only single number appearing in this num. In example 2, we have an input of 4 1 2 1 2, and the output is 4, obviously, because 1 2 1 2 are not single and unique. They appear twice in an array. One of the solution which comes to my mind at the very first instant I see this problem is maintaining a JavaScript object and maintaining the frequency of the number inside an array using a key, as a key value pair. And if any of the number have a frequency of 1, then it is appearing once, and that is a single number in an array. There could be another ways of implementing it, but let's start doing it by hash table and see how it goes. Let's start. Let my object is equal to empty object. Let's define single number. First we'll loop through all the numbers in an array. Let I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, I plus plus. If this already exists, let's start with I. How do we assign a frequency? If we will check if it already exists, if it is already existing in a object, then we will add 1 to it. Otherwise, if it is the first time, that means that it is not existing in an object, then as a key, so it will be initialized as 1. So this loop will give me an object in which we store numbers with its frequency as a key value pair. So what we have to do now is loop through this object, loop through my object, and check what is the value here. If my object key is equal to 1, then we return, then we do single number is equal to key, and in the end we will return a single number. Okay, that's it. It seems it should give us the right result, because every time a key is equal to 1 in an object, it means that is a single number. Let's try to run it. Yeah, this seems correct, and let's try to do this. 2 to 1 with 1, sorry, with yeah, I think something is wrong here. Input is 2 to 1, I think I am copying it incorrectly. 221. Yeah, this your answer is 2. Why is it 2? Yeah, it should be single number. Mm, 41212. Why is it giving wrong result? 4 is correct. Let's try again. 221. Yeah, it's giving me the answer of 2, which I don't understand. It should be always 1. Sorry. Every time I know that this is already here, I will increase the frequency by 1. Yeah, now this is right. I will check it again. Why it was giving me the right result, even if the logic was wrong. Try again. Yeah, it makes sense. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, well, it is accepted. It seems to be very simple and a straightforward solution. Let's go to the note again. They are saying that is it possible to implement it without using extra memory? Without using extra memory, to solve this problem without using an extra memory, we need to understand the concept of XOR bit manipulation. That is called XOR bit manipulation. This XOR bit manipulation says that if a number is XORed with itself, then it gives the value of 0. If a number is XORed with 0, it gives you 0. If a number is, for example, if a number is XORed with B and then it gives, and then again XORed with A, then it will become A, 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 B, which gives the value of 0. B is equal to B. So this is the basic concept of XOR bit manipulation. We need to apply this to 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 get the single number out of this array. The way it will work is we will loop through the nums, and every time, because of this property of XOR, and we will XOR all the elements together. The elements which are not single will give a result in 0, and the only number which is a single will come out as an answer. So let's try to implement how it works. So I need to remove all this. I don't need my hash map. What I can do is I will loop through all single number is equal to nums I. That's it. Hopefully it should work. Let's see what is the result. Let's try to implement with 221. 221. Well, this solution is so tricky, but it is a linear time complexity, and it doesn't take any extra memory. So as per the problem statement, this is a solution which works. Personally, I like the solution of hash map more because it is very obvious, and this solution is not so obvious unless you know that XOR works like this and how the bit manipulation works inside the XOR. But this is one of the ways. Maybe it is nice to know. Tell me your views about it. Thank you.